Wagwan people, I'm Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, and welcome to another Moments by Boothe vlog. So today we'll be heading into Kingston for me to get my 6 months dental cleaning, professional cleaning by my dentist, Dr. Dania Lloyd Jones at Dental Associates. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today I'm at 86 Halfway Tree Road to meet my dentist at Dental Associates, where I'm going to get a cleaning from the best dentist in Jamaica, period. So let's go inside. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
I'm doing well, thank you. Alright, so today we're here with Dr.
John.
Alright, this is my very special doctor, number one in Jamaica.
Really? But what type of doctor am I? You have to tell them, because a lot of people may not know what you're doing right now. You just said
Alright,
doctor.
so I'm about to get my teeth clean. Person always asks me about my smile and whatnot. She's the one.
And you have my assistant here with me, Deidre. Say hi, Deidre. Yeah. So we're getting a regular checkup done every 6 months, and he's very, very consistent. So give him a hand clap for that, guys, in the comment section. So first, we start off with an examination, just to make sure that, you know, he has no cavities, his gums are healthy, right? And usually we do x-rays, and it will show him and us if he has any cavities in between the teeth and the health of his bones, but we're not doing that today, right? But that's done like every year. So we'll start off with the exam and then the cleaning.
We're coming back to part 2.
Yeah.
X-rays.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Stick out your tongue for me. Say, Good job. All right, let's go on each tooth. So, let me tell you which ones are out. His wisdom teeth. Number 1 is present. 16 is present. 17 and 32 unerupted. Continue a little. Good job. So you still don't have any wisdom teeth at the bottom, but you have the ones at the top. And because you don't have the ones at the bottom, the top ones are growing down into the space where the bottom ones are missing.
Okay.
So you have to take out your wisdom teeth. But he has no cavities, right? So we're going to start with cleaning. And if you feel any pain or discomfort during the cleaning, just raise your left hand for me, okay? Your hand not going to get tired? You'll know when to put it down. Alright. Trying to reach these wisdom teeth around the back. Alright, just close a little bit so I can see the wisdom tooth. Just close. Yeah. Good job. Doing okay? Continue. Good job. Continue. Good job. $17 is there, 32.
17, 32.
And 32 is unerupted. So he has all 3 present, and then 32 is the only one that is unerupted.
Okay.
through.
Oh.
Oh, you're welcome.
Let's not forget, flossing is equally as important as brushing your teeth. Have some tight contacts there, Akeem. But I hope you're still flossing. Okay. Let's try to get that wisdom tooth. Alright, ready to rinse out. So you're using a soft toothbrush, right? Okay. Take out your tongue for me. And always remember to brush your tongue. Alright, that's you. We're gonna allow you to rinse out. How you feel? Do you feel clean? So we keep it that way, maintain it. Brush twice a day, floss at least once a day. Right?
As always.
And then you see me in 6 months.
Right, no, I'll see you in a few for the x-rays.
All right, right. You see? You remember. So yeah, definitely x-rays are very important.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So now you can tell everybody to come to the dentist. We're open during COVID time. What do you want me to say?
Your name?
Okay, I'm Dr. Dania Jones. You can find me on Instagram and on Twitter. And you can always DM me or call me on the number that you see on Instagram and just set an appointment. I'm friendly and nice and I'll take care of your teeth.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.